Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy Add Sparkle. Now today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make these cute little shirts. There's one there and the other one there. Now they can be added to cards, so this one's a little bit bigger. It's been added to that card, and then I made a smaller one that's been added to that card. They're great for mail cards. Now what I've got here is a piece of paper. This is 4" by 6". Alright, so first what you want to do is fold your paper in half and grab your bone folder, just a little bit of a burnish, then fold it again into that middle fold that you had before. Now I'm having the checkered side showing, so that's why you kind of need it. So this is what the shirt will look like. Alright, now we're going to make now that you've done that, we're going to make the sleeves. So you want to fold it all the way out until, so if you can see, it's all the way out as far as it will go, and do the same on the other side. Just grab your bone folder. Okay, so if you turn it over, that actually creates your sleeves. So there you go. Now we're going to create the collar. So now that we've turned it over, what you need to do is fold this up about 1/2 inch. Okay, and just burnish it a little bit, then turn it over, and here's where you're going to create your collar. So you're going to fold that corner into the center, and then fold the other corner into the other center, and you'll see it creates your collar. There you go. Now your next step, fold it over. No, sorry. Whoops. No, what you want to do is fold that up. So from there, this part gets folded up and pop them as far as it will go under the collar there. And hold it there, and there you go, you've created your little shirt. Now what I do is grab our liquid glass and just add a little dab there and one under this collar, and then just hold it down for a minute. Just it holds it in place, that's all. So just hold it for a minute. Oh, there we go. Now to create the stripe down the middle, so it looks like it's got buttons and the little bits on the sleeves, I've actually got a piece of, this is white daisy, just cut at 1/4 inch, and then what I do is I'll place that on there like that. So I'll just grab the liquid glass again just to glue it on. Glue it on the center. Just hold it for a minute. And then I'll just grab our scissors and just trim off that bit. Clean up any liquid glass that's kind of gone over the edge. And then you want to add the sleeves part. Now you can add them wherever you like. See, this one here I've added and left a little bit, but on these ones I haven't. I've just put it up there. It's up to you where you want to do it, but this one I might do that as well. Just hold it there, and again just trim it off and do the same on the other side. And just again, give it a quick trim. Okay, and there you go. And then what I will do is grab our black and white dots, and I'm going to add some little black dots to represent buttons on the shirt. So I'll just place one there. One there. And finally one there. So there you go, we've created another shirt. And this can be added to, oh dear, I've just noticed what I've done wrong. I added that wrong. That's okay, I'll take it off and glue it there. Whoops. Okay, now we've done it. Okay, so there we go. Our shirt is complete. So you can add this to a card, you can add it to a scrapbook page. There's lots of things that you could add it to. Yeah, so yeah, you could just put a little message on the back and give it to someone. Alright, well, there you have it. That is how I made my shirt. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll endeavour to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.